Hi, I'm Tom Martin. I'm from New Orleans. I started working for OTC in '08, and I work in the collision repair welding department. Worked for the city of New Orleans for property management for 32 and a half years. And during those 32 and a half years, I worked in the welding shop. I'm a third generation welder. About 25 of those 35, 33, whatever it was, I worked Mardi Gras. We did behind the scenes stuff, put the reviewing stands up that you see on TV right now. So when Hurricane Katrina hit Solar House in New Orleans, and I retired from New Orleans in '08, I came to work here in October of '09. We had 4 foot of water in the house.
You did?
Yeah.
4 foot or a full foot?
No, 4 feet.
Of water in the house?
Yes. From January 1st until Mardi Gras Day, we made overtime. And we worked all kind of hours. We had all kind of deadlines to get stuff done. So that was the exciting part of it. I had a company truck, so I could park anywhere I wanted during the parade. We should be saying all. So, you know, it was cool. And we had our own reviewing stand for the employees, and I used to bring my wife there, and she loved it being from here. She loved Mardi Gras. It was one of her favorite things. Happy Mardi Gras, everybody. How's that?